Hello, parents. My name is Mr. Falcucci, and welcome to my Honors Stats virtual classroom. Just wanted to take a couple minutes here to walk you through my virtual classroom on Google Classroom here, explain to you how class works, and provide you my contact information so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach out to me. So if your child is in my fifth period class, we meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:13 to 12:23. If your child is in my sixth period class, we meet on Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:33 to 1:43. All right, so this is the main page for my Google Classroom right here. I'm going to take you over to the classwork page. And on the classwork page, I've done my best to organize everything as neatly for the students so they have easy access to everything. Currently, we're working on averages and variation, and you can see all of the assignments that we have posted under there. All right. Additionally, okay, if we scroll down here, you can see we have organizing data, which is a unit we already completed. If we go down a little bit right here, you can see we have class resources. And these class resources are continually updated for the students. Things that will be beneficial for not only my class, but other classes with using the Google Suite and things like that, I will post here just so they have access to them. You'll notice one of the first things right here, it says grades and missing assignments. This is a great video for you and them to watch. So you can look here and specifically see their grades on Google Classroom, the grades they've gotten and all the assignments, and if they have any missing work. It's only a 3-minute video, and I assure you it's very helpful. And if you haven't done so, I highly recommend that you watch it so you can know exactly what's going on with your student in Google Classroom. Additionally, if you're not part of your student's Google Classroom yet, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to add you to your child's Google Classroom so you can see in real time when they're assigned assignments, what they're getting on their work, if they're passing their work, etc., etc. My remote management plans included on here with how the class works, as well as my syllabus down here as well with my grading policy, the topics we're covering, all of that right there. Extra helps are provided on Wednesdays from 2 to 2:40. There's a Google Meet link right here that they can click on to access my extra help session. All I ask from them is that if they're coming for extra help, that they please give me a heads up and email me ahead of time so I can be prepared for when they show up. Down the bottom here too, there's also some caregiver resources. So just a few things I've posted for parents and families at home to better help assist their child during the school year. Like I said, the grades column is up here, so you can access your grades. And again, if you have questions on accessing that, I highly recommend you watch that video. A typical class when we meet for those 70 minutes, it varies class to class, but a lot of it will be, or some of it will be me presenting the material, going over notes with them. But a lot of it is time for them to collaborate together, work on assignments during class, and submit those. And we go over everything we do together too to really make sure that we do our best in this remote environment here to really make sure that they're understanding these topics and mastering these topics that we're covering. Lastly, my contact information is right here. Again, Daniel Falcucci. This is Honors Stats. My email address, falcuccid@worcesterschools.net, and my Google phone number, 401-268-7047. I really thank you for your continued support throughout this remote learning experience. I'm really doing my best and enjoying getting to know all of the students this year, as difficult as that may be in a remote setting. But we're getting through it, and we're forging along and covering the curriculum and learning what we need to learn. So again, I can't thank you enough for not only your patience but your continued support during this remote learning experience. And if I can be of any further assistance, or you have any questions, comments, concerns about your son or daughter, how they're doing, please feel free to reach out to me. I will do my best to return your call or email as quickly as possible. Thanks again. I hope to talk with all of you soon.